We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to cook Kare Kare. Our main ingredients are eggplant, bok choy, green beans, and I'm using pork leg. And then I have onions, garlic, and of course the peanut butter, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And we're gonna use annatto powder for color. Okay guys, what we have to do is I'm going to boil this pork for 20 minutes to remove all the scum. After 20 minutes, I will drain it and remove and change the water, and then put it back in the pot and tenderize the meat for an hour. It depends. Okay guys, let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna boil this meat for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, we're gonna drain it and put it back in a pot and put more water and let it boil for 1 hour plus. It depends how old this pork to get tenderized. Alright guys, I'll be back for 20 minutes. For the meantime guys, while the pork is boiling, we can go ahead and chop all these ingredients, the onions and garlic and the bok choy. Next, the bok choy. I just kind of cut it half like this. Then we're gonna leave this green beans like it is. And then the next step, I'm going to blanch all the vegetables. Alright, I'll do the green beans first. Blanch it like 2 minutes. Alright guys, after 2 minutes, we can remove the green beans now. Then we can put next the eggplant. Next, after 2 minutes, eggplant done. Next, we can do the bok choy. Two minutes. Alright guys, 2 minutes up. Alright guys, look all the scum and meat. Now we have to drain it and wash the meat off, all those black stuff. Then after that, we're gonna tenderize the meat for an hour. Let's go rinse the meat first. go, guys. Now we're gonna boil this for an hour till the meat tenderizes. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. We're gonna boil this for 1 hour. 45 minutes to an hour. We will check it anyway if the meat is tender. Alright, guys. Time check. It's been boiling for an hour. Let's see if the meat is tender. Oh wow, it's tender. It's very tender. Look. Alright, next step. This is the last step. Put some oil. Make sure the oil is hot. Okay. Now we're gonna add the achuere or anato powder. I'm gonna use only half. And then we can add the meat now. And the liquid. Just pull up the bone. Add more liquid. Now we're gonna add the peanut butter. I use the Skippy creamy peanut butter. We're gonna put like 3/4 of a cup. Then let it simmer like a couple minutes. Then we're gonna add all the vegetables. Alright guys, it's been simmered for 2 minutes. The sauce is thickened. Now we have to taste it. Tastes good. I'm gonna put some pork cube for more flavor. Peanut butter make the sauce thicken. The longest you simmer it is more the juice or the liquid is thickened. Now we're gonna add our vegetables. We don't need to cook this long because I already pre-cook it earlier. You don't want to be overcook it. Okay, now we're squeezing around. To get the sauce on the vegetables. Okay, now it's done. We're going to plate it now. It looks good so far. Here we go, guys. You can have it. Enjoy. Hope you like it.
Just act sass in the Philippines.